Hey y'all, it's Johnny from Get a Hobby. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys what we're thinking of for some new classes. We're gonna do some spec straight stock action in the 2022 winter season with some 12-turn stock bandits. So what we're gonna need is obviously a bandit, tools, the body mount kit of your choice for whatever car you have. We're showing you bandits. And then your street stock body. There's a couple different body options from J Concepts and McAllister. There's other bodies available. Pick whatever one you like the most. All right, so what we're gonna I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna remove from this bandit. First thing, we're gonna remove the body, the rear wing mount, and then the front bumper. It's 2 screws right here on the front. All right, so we remove the front bumper and remove the wing mount and the body. So now we're gonna cut away and we're gonna build and show you how to install the McAllister kit. All right, so I installed the McAllister kit on the front and the rear body mount. It's what's included in the kit to Traxxas part. So we have it set up for the J Concept 78 Camaro. So it's set up, and recommend do not paint the body yet. It makes it a lot easier to mount. So all you're gonna do, you're just gonna line it up with the front wheels, with the wheel wells, and obviously the front wheels and the rear wheels. Line it up as best you can. Make it as even as you can. And I recommend using a Sharpie to mark your body on the outside. There's your clear film. You can draw all over it if you want. It's not gonna hurt. And you just mark it, and then you would drill the holes with your body reamer, and you got your body mounted then. And you just trim it accordingly.
Hi folks, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Get a Hobby, and follow us on our social medias down below. Thanks.